I just got my Thrive package today for starting as a consultant, the Business Builder Kit, and I'm just opening it now. See what's inside. So here's some information on the snackies. First things first, and a receipt. Big boxes in here. I don't know. Get that out very easy. There we go. So this says materials. I have my apron. So that'll be great. And it has a whole bunch of other materials for parties in there. Some cups and some bunch of flyers. Alright. And then there's a party pack. So here's a express food, so it's all assembled there for you. Have some strawberry yogurt bites, whole wheat dough, chocolate chip cookies and macaroons, and golden cornbread. And fudge brownies, yummy. And pancake mix. And two more. Oh. Okay. This one has mangoes, celery, pineapple, green beans, cauliflower, peas, strawberry slices, peach drink, and instant milk. One more box. Oh, this is the salsa mix and some beef, chicken salad mix, cheddar cheese and scrambled eggs, and bananas, corn, apples, and the last thing is peach smoothie. Yum. So this is what's in my starter kit to become a consultant.